All right, let's look at number 2, and we're going to look at 3 integrals, a, b, and c. And we're going to do integration by parts on all of them. And as is normal, if you have a integral that has a natural log in it, and you're going to do integration by parts, usually that is your u. So we're going to let u be equal to ln of 7x, which means dv is going to be 6x dx. This tells me du is 1 over 7x times 7, or just 1 over x dx. Here, v is equal to 6x squared over 2, or 3x squared. So then we get u times v. So let's remember it. Let me write it up here just for reference. The integral of u dv is equal to uv minus integral of v du. That's our by parts. So we have u times v, 3x squared, times ln of 7x, minus v, which is 3x squared, times 1 over x dx. Well, then this integral simplifies to just, let's see, let me write this down, 3x squared, ln of 7x, bring out the 3, and then reduce this to just x dx. And then it's a pretty straightforward finish. That stays there, minus 3, x squared over 2, plus c. Not too bad. All right, let's look at this one. Again, we have a natural log in here. We're going to do by parts. So we're going to let u be equal to this entire expression, ln of x squared. And we're going to let dv be dx. So du here is 2 ln of x times the derivative of ln of x, which is 1 over x dx. v is equal to x. So again, we have u times v, x ln of x squared, minus the integral of v du. So 2 ln of x over x times x dx. I know I'm working an indefinite one. I'm going to come back and put in the bounds. So those x's cancel. Knowing the antiderivative of ln of x is a good thing to know. Otherwise, you need to do by parts. But we'll bring out that 2, and it is x ln of x minus x. You can verify that with integration by parts. All right, now we're going to evaluate this from 1 up to 2. So 2 is going to go in. 2 ln of 2 squared minus 2 times 2 ln of 2 minus 2. Whew, all of that. Minus, now we're going to plug in 1. So 1 ln of 1 minus a minus, so plus 2. We'll do it this way. 1 times ln of 1 minus 1. That's what it becomes. All my ln's are 0. So really I'm left with, let's expand this. 2 ln of 2 squared minus 4 ln of 2 plus 4. And then this is minus 2. I think that's an extra minus right there because I changed all the signs. There it is. All right, one more. T e to the 5t. This time we're going to let u be equal to t, and dv is e to the 5t dt. This tells me du is dt, our favorite kind. V is e to the 5t over 5. So then u times v, t e to the 5t over 5, minus integral of v, e to the 5t over 5 dt. And then that's a pretty simple integral. So t e to the 5t over 5 minus 1/5 e to the 5t again over 5, all plus c. There we go. We have it, all 3 of them.